Look no further than the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle still has fewer than 120,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.